Kilroy, I just discovered this time machine.
Nonsense, Johnny. Time travel doesn't exist. Where are we? What are you playing at?
It must have worked. We've travelled back in time.
Don't be ridiculous.
Crikey. Don't move.
Where are we now? How do we get back?
Hey, we're in ancient Egypt. I was just thinking about this time. This time machine must take us to whatever time period we were just thinking about.
Right thinking, Johnny.
So thinking about the exact moment in time we left should take us back to the present.
There's no proof of coming up.
It worked.
Thank goodness. Oh no.